Yo, what is going on YouTube? This is Technically T, and today I'm bringing you the first case review for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now, as you see here, we do have the Whitestone Dome case, and it's actually the case, not the screen protector. I know you guys are always used to seeing Whitestone Dome tempered glass, but they actually have a case, and I actually found this out by just browsing on Amazon, because I order a bunch of Note 9 cases and do case reviews myself. I'm not looking for companies to send me everything, so I saw that they offered a case. It's a clear case, looks pretty thin and minimalistic, so I said let me go ahead and order it. Now I do already have the Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector, as you can see up there, so you already know they got to be compatible, and that's exactly what it says. Perfectly compatible case with Whitestone Dome glass. So let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Looking at some of the details on the bottom: perfect fit, full protection, anti-shock. Flip it over on the back. You can read some of those for yourself, man, but let's go ahead and get straight into the actual case itself. Now, like I said, I didn't realize that Whitestone made an actual case as well. I was so used to their screen protectors only, didn't know they made an actual clear case. So here it is, Whitestone Dome clear case for the Note 9. So let's go ahead and take a look around the case itself. On that right side, you see you do get a raised power button there. Flipping over on the bottom, all of your cutouts are spot on. S Pen cutout, everything like that, as you see, is on the bottom. On that left side, volume up, volume down, you get that aggravating dedicated Bixby button. And on the top, it's completely closed, and you do get a cutout for your microphone. And flipping over on the back, you do get a cutout for your camera, fingerprint sensor, flash, everything like that. Now, so let's go ahead and pop the Note 9 with the Whitestone Dome tempered glass in it, and let's see how it actually fit and how it actually does. Now, this is for all of my clear case lovers out there who don't want to run a case, but you want to show off the color of that Note. Should be a pretty dope design here. So let's take a look at some of these buttons. So that power button, nice and tactile, as you can see here. Flipping over on the bottom, all of your cutouts are spot on, and it isn't hard to get to the S Pen as well. Actually pretty good, doesn't require too much digging to actually get to it. On that right side, volume up, volume down, dedicated Bixby button, all nice and tactile. And the phone is actually off. I haven't turned it back on since I did the Whitestone Dome review, but it is what it is. Flipping over to that top, it is completely closed, and you get that cutout for your microphone. And on the back, as you see, your cutouts are spot on for all your sensors and camera, everything, and then you are protected. You see, you do get some of that lay on the tail protection when it comes to the back. Now, lay on the tail protection when it comes to the front. And as you see, it does have these four sides. So when you actually lay it down, it's not resting, and I can actually tell it's resting on the actual case itself, because you can hear kind of the material that it hits. So you do get a tiny little bit of lay on tail protection. Now, this isn't by any means no heavy duty protection, but something is better than nothing, and what you expect when you're talking about a clear case. So it does offer you a little bit of lay on the table protection. Next, how does these sides fit? Now, as you see, the sides tend to pull a little bit. Now, the thing about the sides to note is that it comes down, so it doesn't come all the way at the top, so it's not interfering with the screen protector at all. It actually stops on the bottom side of the Note. So once again, you see that lay on tail protection there, but the grip on it, you really have to pull it to get any type, but it snaps right back into place. Your top, not the strongest. The bottom may be a little flimsy down there. I probably would like to see that to be a little bit more sturdy, but it's not the worst. It fits. The sides are good. The top and the bottom could be a little bit more sturdy, especially the bottom when it comes down to the power button down here. Next, let's take a look at how it actually feels on the phone. Now, it does feel actually pretty good. It doesn't add too much bulk. The phone still feels very good in the hand and fairly keeps a thin profile. So all in all, it actually feels pretty good, not too bad. It is a clear case, so you already know you're prone to fingerprints and everything like that. So, always be careful when rocking these cases, man, because you can get some fingerprints up there, but it's a clear case. If you're rocking clear cases, you want to rock it to show off that color. You shouldn't be worried about the fingerprints, but if you're anal like me, keep one of the microfibers on deck and wipe it off from time to time. Now, on the back, as you see, this is a clear case. Now, it is giving me a little watermark design here, so I'm not sure what you can do. I'm not sure if that's a design or whatever, but one trick I know is to put a sprinkle of baby powder actually on the back of the phone or the back of the case, and you don't have to really worry about any of these watermark, issues showing up through the back of the case. Now, does it work with wireless charging? So let's go ahead and drop it on the wireless charging. Now, it should go ahead and start. It's powered off, so let's give it a few minutes and it will actually power on. But there it is. It does work with wireless charging. Like I said, it's turned off, but it does work with wireless charging. So all in all, this case will run you $11.99 over on Amazon. It only comes in clear. Now I will drop the link to this product down in the description below. So if you want those clear cases and you want to rock Whitestone all around, then you can go out and grab this case, man. But as always, I will catch you on the next one. Hit the like button, hit subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Catch you on the next one, guys. Later.